Hello everyone, hello LaSalle College. My name is Gabriel Cifuentes from the Career Services Department, and I'm here to remind you that the career services are still there for you. I would like to remember that even though we're going through these difficult times, we're still here for you. The career services are still here for you to help you and give you guidance in all your questions. I would like to remember the offers and services that we have for you. If you're looking for a job or need to find a job right now, we're still here to help you. We can also help you preparing your CV, your cover letter, or getting you ready for an online interview. On the other hand, we're also doing online information sessions for you guys. We're doing these 4 times per week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 to 12 in English and from 3 to 4 in French. Don't forget to update your portfolios account. If you don't have an account yet, please send us a mail to Career Services and we'll be happy to send you all these steps on how to create an account. You can find job opportunities, part-time jobs, full-time jobs, and also internships. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate in sending us a mail to Career Services Service Employed. We'll be happy to answer all your questions and give you some more additional information. Remember, we're still here for you with so many other services that are still working for you. Thank you guys, and hope to see you all soon.